Hello, I'm County Administrator Josh Hillman. I apologize for the technical difficulties of our broadcast. Tonight we are announcing our first confirmed case of coronavirus in Washington County. We have been expecting a positive case for some time now. We know more cases will be confirmed in the coming days, weeks, and months. To explain more is Kirsten Johnson, our Public Health Officer.
The Washington Ozaukee Public Health Department received notification a person residing in Washington County has tested positive for the novel coronavirus, COVID-19. This person sought medical care and was tested as a result of their symptoms. The individual is currently isolated and has followed all recommendations made by the Washington Ozaukee Public Health Department. To prevent the spread of illness, the Health Department is conducting contact investigation to identify and follow up with any people who had close contact with this individual. Close contacts will be monitored by local public health department staff. Individuals will complete daily symptom and temperature checks and will be self-quarantined. Because we have expected positive cases, our diligence to mitigate the spread does not change. This is precisely why residents are urged to practice social distancing of 6 feet or more between other people. Practice good hygiene by washing hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, and frequently disinfect commonly touched surfaces. First and foremost, if you feel ill, please stay home and monitor your temperature. The symptoms of the coronavirus are fever, dry cough, and difficulty breathing. Before seeking medical care, please call your health provider. If you do not have a healthcare provider, call the Washington Ozaukee Public Health Department. The health department's phone number is 262-335-4462. You can find up-to-date information on the health department's website, washoswi.gov.
Washington County continues to monitor the guidance of the state and federal government. Washington County staff remain in close contact with the White House, the Governor's Office, and the CDC. Governor Evers has announced a moratorium on gatherings of 10 or more, with a few exceptions. We understand this will make day-to-day life difficult and put significant pressures on our bars, restaurants, and other small businesses. The governor's order allows pickup and delivery at restaurants. Bars closed at 5 p.m. today. If you are healthy, please patronize these restaurants for takeout meals and our local businesses. Governor Evers also announced late this afternoon all schools will remain closed until further notice. We need the public's help to flatten the curve and help slow the spread. If our health systems get too overwhelmed by cases, we are going to see significant problems similar to the healthcare challenges in Italy. Nonetheless, managing the panic is as important as managing the spread. On the Sunday shows, it was interesting to hear Dr. Anthony Fauci say, if it looks like you're overreacting, you're probably doing the right thing. We don't want to spread panic, nor the coronavirus. Our goal is to save lives and lessen the contact to our most vulnerable.
While we are just announcing our first confirmed case in Washington County, the coronavirus COVID-19 has been in our community for days. To minimize the spread of illness, the Washington Ozaukee Public Health Department recommends people postpone or cancel non-essential travel, both internationally and domestic. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, updates travel information daily. If travel is essential, particularly to areas with COVID-19, travelers should undergo a 14-day self-quarantine upon return and monitor their health for signs and symptoms of COVID-19. The Wisconsin Department of Health Services has more information about how to self-quarantine on their website. Again, we know these efforts will not completely stop the spread of COVID-19. These efforts are an attempt to slow the spread. Our health system could be overwhelmed quickly. If this happens, resources to serve those with confirmed cases will be limited. If you are sick or feel any symptoms, stay home, monitor your temperature, and call your healthcare provider. If you believe you've had contact with COVID-19, stay home, monitor your temperature, and call your healthcare provider. If you believe you need to be tested, call your healthcare provider before seeking treatment. If you do not have a healthcare provider, call the health department at 262-335-4462.
As county employees, we are public servants first. Our duty is to provide services to our community and help those who live here through this difficult time. Washington County has many services which are essential to getting through this pandemic. As of close of business Tuesday, we intend to keep county services open to the public. However, please call first. The county's nursing home is closed to all visitors, with limited exceptions. In the coming days, we will prioritize services. We intend to maintain services such as transit, Meals on Wheels, economic support, mental health services, child protective services, and other services as long as we can. On Thursday, the county board will meet to ratify our emergency declaration. Our employees are ready to be public servants first.
In addition, we are hearing many questions about the upcoming election. County Clerk Ashley Reichert has been in contact with the Wisconsin Elections Commission. At this time, the election on April 7th is proceeding. We have put election information on the county's website. Wisconsin has many processes already in place to ensure your safety and social distancing while voting. The best way we are advising voters to stay safe is to request an absentee ballot mailed to you. Visit myvote.wi.gov. Receiving a ballot by mail will ensure you are able to vote. Ballots are being mailed. You may request a ballot until 5 p.m. on April 2nd. If you recently moved or need to register, you have until tomorrow, Wednesday, March 18th, to change your address or register to vote at myvotewi.gov. After tomorrow, you must register at your municipal clerk's office. We are consistently updating election information on our website. Please help the vulnerable population, the elderly, and those with health conditions, and sign up for mailed ballots. Again, if you have any questions about the coronavirus, please visit the health department's website, washozwi.gov. Thank you.